So now we will continue on making the e-card script, and we stopped here that we can send this e-card, but in safety reasons I would like to make a send database where I can see all the sended emails, just count them and overview them, so if in case there is not a spam. So the first is ID, which is init, and it's we cannot see them. Keep in mind. The next email is, I wrote in Latvian, it's who email address, who receives it. It's not necessary to do this, but I always do. Who sends it, email address. This is email type. So I will be using like send news over internet, send e-card, and send. So this will be just what type of email has been sent. So text. Let's do it text, so it can be large numbers, but in text there are no limits. Date 5. Let's make IP also 25. IP don't use init because there are dots, so use watcher and maybe use this. Date also. No, sorry, not for that. Date could be init, so let's see date as init. Alright, let's save this. So keep in mind that you made such fields, but I will be inserting them anyhow. So the thing is, before sending, let's do it before, because after we will check if such email has been like sent thousands of times to the same email, then you just don't send it again. So SQL query insert into send mail the fields, values, and the values. So as we start, cus, com, type, text, date, IP. So same count should be here in the same order. Sorry, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I already have the com is second, cus is first, type is e-card, text is text. Sorry, text is text. So date. I already have the date here, so it's year, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds. They use E for minutes because the month is first. Sorry, my dog is killing the postman. So date, and then was IP, and I believe I have IP already got it in the header PHP file, so I should have no problems with this one. I believe we need also a link, but in e-card we will not use link, but let's keep also link. Well, not link, because maybe the MySQL has a code for this, so you just address, no, not address, just use rule e-link. Let's use like this, e-link. Electronic link, so that's for okay, so link we will post from the e-card so we can see what has been sent, but I just make this for safety reasons. I will not read the e-cards, but I believe many of you would like to read them. Alright, so just insert another after this one, so we insert another after IP, which is the link. And keep in mind, link can be very long sometimes, so keep in 500, and there could be UTF values because sometimes they post text on a link. Alright, so we have done this. So now we should check it whether information has been posted inside. So I will update this, and sorry, blank page. Let's refresh the page. Mat, email mat, receiver email mat, new e-card. This is my text, and this is my email. So the email server is very slow. It's refreshing the page and refreshing and refreshing and refreshing. I just click one more time. So I just received this new e-card from who could it be? I believe I know who sent it. Yes, we have a new e-card and sent by Matt. So that's the name. This is my text and stuff like that. Alright, so how much time I have? I have 4 minutes. So let's start on making receiving the e-card page. So what I think I need to do is examine my code. So this is the sending. The thing is, in order to send this email, if you have sent it before, we need to make a script so it counts how many the same, excluding the date, how many the same e-cards has been sent before. But I will not make it this time, so maybe you can just do it later when you have like I don't know 100 views per day, because you have to keep in mind that many spam bots, crawlers and everything just automatically spams these forms. You need to be aware of them. So maybe add this image translator on the bottom, so you can the user needs to fill in the image text just to not worry about this. So in the link I need alright, so category is e-card. So this is the link part in my web page. So a cat e-card. So then it starts the script. So title, we don't have a title. We have top. This is the category, and language is English, and the e-card ID is 6. So if we don't have an ID, then it will show the category, which is this one. So and if we don't have a category, it will show all e-cards. So we don't need the category and the ID. So we have e-cards. I believe we don't need title also. So what we need to do, we need to save in the link e-card and lang. This part we need to save in the link. So okay, we need to save this part. Let's copy it, and I believe we will just add like that, and it will be equal the e-card unique number, which will be encoded, so nobody can guess. So only the link user will know this e-card. So thing is right here where we have the link. Here we have the link. We need to copy this inside, and then like address like receiver like, and it was let's use the date as an encode, because nobody will guess the date when it was sent to a second. So use the same here, and alright, so we have our link here. uh, I think we should test this, but I don't need to test it. I know that it works. I'll just check in my database. Oh, the part is going out, running out of time. I will check in my database to whether it how to say responds without sending a link. So I just write in some code here, and it will show something, but not in this case because I haven't I haven't did anything or haven't do anything. So I will continue on next part. So thank